Hi everyone. Sorry I'm not there for class today. You are going to watch this video, answer a few questions, and then you are going to go into our website, get the smartboard. It has board work on it. You're going to do the board work. So I am going to do a video right now so you can get the counting principle. You will then go in, find the smartboard notes. You will do the board work in your notebook. You will then go to Khan Academy and do the assignments there. And if you didn't do the assignments that were posted in Google Classroom from last class, you can do that today. I'll take them late. And then this is the homework sheet, Permutations number 1, which you can find on our website in the homework folder. All right, so today we are going to talk about the fundamental counting principle. Here's a couple of examples. You probably saw this before. If you didn't, I'll refresh your memory, and it's simple. First one, how many different outfits can be made with 4 different shirts, 3 different skirts? All we have to do is take this number here for our different shirts, multiply it by this number here for the different skirts. 4 times 3, we are going to get 12 outfits. That's it. Next one, there are 5 shirts, 2 ties, and 3 different pairs of pants. So you are going to multiply 5 times 2 times 6, and you are going to get 30. Next one. Whoop, just showed you the answer. We're going to find license plates. So first you're told you can make 3 numbers on your license plate. So we're going to have 3 blanks for our 3 numbers. And how many numbers do we have to pick from? Well, you have the digits 0 through 9. So that means there are 10 different numbers that can go in each one of these slots. So put in my 10s. The next part of this problem says 3 letters. So I do 3 slots for my letters. And there are 26 letters in the alphabet. So we're going to put in 26 in each one of these slots. And then just like making the outfits, we are going to multiply all of these together. So we do 10 times 10 times 10 times 26 times 26 times 26, and we get that number. All right, hopefully everybody is all set on the fundamental counting principle. You're going to go into the website. You're going to get this board work. You're going to do this in your notebook with today's date. Now, let me show you examples for what's next. Next, we're going to talk about permutations. All right, a permutation is when you place something in a certain order. Order matters with a permutation. First question says, how many ways can 6 students be seated in 3 desks? So these lines here represent 3 desks. Well, we have 6 students. So that means in that very first desk, there are 6 different people that can be seated. Now, one's been seated. So there are only 5 students left for the next desk. And since 2 have been seated, there's only 4 left for the last desk. Multiply these together. That's going to give you the total number of ways you can put 6 students into 3 seats, and that's 120 different ways. Okay, that's a permutation. Order matters, one after the other. All right, this is another example of a permutation. 8 cans of soup are going to be arranged on a shelf. Now, since we're using all 8 of them, not just some, if you're using all of them, this can simply be written as 8 factorial. And then you can let your calculator do the work to figure out the answer to 8 factorial, which is, it's going to equal 40,320. And another example, permutation. In how many ways can the 4 call letters of a radio station be arranged? Okay, we got 4 letters, so I'm going to have 4 blanks. And you are told the first letter must be a K or a W. That means there's only 2 choices for the first one. Has to be K or W. Then it says no letter can be repeated. Okay, 26 letters total in the alphabet. We just put one letter here. So that means there's only 25 left to go here. And now we've placed 2, so that means there's only 24 left to go here. And what does that leave for the last blank? Yep, 23. Whoops, messy 3. And then you multiply all of these numbers together. That'll tell you how many different possibilities there are, and that's 27,600. 27,600. All right, then you're going to do more board work. Right? We have a few more to do to get you through number 8, and then you have Khan Academy assignments due and homework. Have a good class.